In 1975, a determined group of disabled people came together with a dream. That dream was to build a sports club where people with physical and sensorial disabilities could find fun, friendship and opportunity. A place where people of all abilities could participate in sport to whichever level they aspired to. Within a year, one member went on to medal at the Toronto Paralympics. Only a short time on, and a brave few embarked upon a Bristol to London marathon wheelchair push. A gruelling fundraising feat, but their endeavours paid off when money for a building was raised. In the years that followed, a passionate team of volunteers steered the club towards success and it thrived. 2 sports became 10, 1 hall became 3, membership swelled from a handful to several hundred, and the club quickly gained a national reputation. Medals, trophies, awards came rolling in, notably runner-up in the 2001 Sports Club of the Year out of 80,000 entries, and more recently a Star Club Award from the English Federation of Disability Sport, as well as Club of the Year from Get Berkshire Active. Sportsable has achieved what no other sports club has. Working together, directors, staff, volunteers and members have proved that disabled people of all ages and abilities can play sport alongside each other. A disabled sports club can offer more than just one sport. Disabled and able-bodied people can play sports side by side, and top-level athletes, as well as those participating just for fun, can train together. Sportsable continues to provide a strong base in the South East, where members can participate in sport for fun or for serious competition. While some swim on a weekly basis for relaxation, others train for major championships. Members may choose to participate in every sport available, to give their life variety, to learn new skills and to escape isolation, or embark upon a serious one-to-one training schedule in their chosen sport. Many aspiring athletes begin their national, European and Paralympic pathways with Sportsable, benefiting from the club's wide range of adapted facilities, excellent coaching and fantastic volunteer support. They've gone on to represent Great Britain 46 times at every Paralympic Games since the club was formed. Thanks to the London 2012 Paralympics, interest is at an all-time high. Members want more sport more often. New members, inspired by what they've witnessed on their screens and in arenas, are joining every day. The club is growing and history is repeating itself. On our Braywick Sports Ground location, we plan to increase our sports and social facilities to help more people achieve in sport 7 days a week. It's a huge undertaking and we cannot do it alone, but with everyone's cooperation, we will drive this new dream forward. It is our mission to share our 38 years of knowledge with other organisations. In doing so, Sportsable will provide a blueprint for which to build self-sustainable sports complexes across the nation. This new journey is not to be considered a legacy, more of a destiny. Sportsable President John Jenkins says if we stop, we will go backwards, and we never want to go backwards. We want to continue to be one of, if not the best, inclusive multi-sport centres in the country. To do so, we must expand. Our members tell us day in, day out that becoming a member of Sportsable is a life-changing experience for them. By expanding, we will be able to provide even more opportunities to those who need it most. But most importantly, we hope to inspire others to do the same. Learn from the past, live for the present, look to the future. Sportsable, carrying the torch for disability sport.